Yo, hello everyone. Are you looking to offer UPS shipping options on your WooCommerce store? In this video, I will guide you through the process of integrating UPS shipping method into your WooCommerce setup, from installing the UPS shipping plugin to configuring the shipping settings and much more. So stick into the end and let's get started. We start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So once and as always, make sure to launch your WooCommerce store in your WordPress website. Then here click into the plugin section and then go to add new. Through here, all you have to do is add the plugin that I'm going to show you. So the plugin can be added in two ways, by uploading the plugin or searching the plugin. Let's try first the upload plugin. So what you have to do is search for UPS WooCommerce setup plugin, and what you have to do is simply go to here and click here and follow the steps that they are showing you. So this UPS shipping method is actually paid for 8.25 per month. Now if I want to here and search for it, let's wait a little bit. As you might notice, it won't really be offered in here in all sections. So WooCommerce UPS shipping live rates and access points is not really the one that you are looking for, but overall for you, you have to get it through the WooCommerce official website. So it will be 8.25 per month. So you have to click on buy now, and right after you click on buy now, they will give you the link that you can download it and then upload it through it. So this extension of course will require that your server has simple XML installed. It primarily works with NS and LBS, but other units can be converted automatically. So this is important to have on your server, and then you can otherwise add this UPS shipping method. We can search for UPS alone here. So if we search for UPS shipping, so here we go, it will not appear as well. So this is the problem that you might have in order for you to add this UPS shipping method. But guys, as always, I have you covered. What you'll have to do is simply go to here into a new tab and search for WooCommerce UPS shipping. So WooCommerce UPS shipping plugin, and click on the second link, which is WooCommerce. So through here we can just get this, download it, and then click on choose file and upload it. So let's do that real quick. Here we go, flexible shipping. Let's just zoom in, choose file, and then all you have to do is search for the file that you have downloaded, which is this one. Then click on install now. Just you have to do is wait a little bit, and here it is. It has been successfully added. Now click on active plugin, and here you go. So now make sure it is here. So UPS live rates and access points. You can through here go and check the extension that it has. So these are all the extensions that you may have into your WordPress website or WooCommerce store. You have Flexible Shipping Pro. There's UPS live rates and access points Pro, which is the one you have. DPK UK, DPD local. So it has a bunch of options, guys, and all of these you can add them to your website, of course, by buying them. This plugin is not for free at all. Now, for now, we have downloaded the plugin, but yet we have to buy it. So click here to buy the plugin, and then all you have to do is see the pricing and notice, as you notice, it is 69 per year, and it will work only for one website. So in case you'd like to go for it, go for it. In case you don't want, I highly suggest you guys to just go for this UPS shipping method. It is much cheaper, much better, because it is the correct plugin. These ones are just like a sub company that will help you do it, but this one is the real company that will make you do it. And it has a WooCommerce official page, which is really good for you and very reliable. And here they explain everything from domestic, next day air early, next day air, like how it works, the shipping, Worldwide Express, Worldwide Express Plus, Saver, here how it works. You can here add the service code and everything. The extension does not do freight shipping, and there is a weight limit of 150 lbs, which is about 75 kilograms. Here the UPS service settings, you can adjust it by yourself. So outer length, outer width, outer height for the product itself, and some categories of the products, of course, that you will need to fill before send in the product. And as you might know, if you didn't like this plugin, you have a guaranteed 30 days money back. So if you didn't like this product, they will send you the money back in case you didn't want to continue use it. But make sure it is within the first 30 days. And here guys, an article for you to understand more how to start using UPS account in WooCommerce shipping. So here the installation, how it works from zero. So here we go, add next app, select connect, and then to open the form we will add your UPS account informations, and then you will check here your orders. So go to WooCommerce orders, select an order that's processing, and select create shipping label. So it will be looking like that, create shipping label through the order. It will be having shipping rates, and choose UPS ground or UPS express. Of course, each time you choose that, you will be charged for 9.57. Of course, this total will be added directly to the card, so the person who's actually gonna buy this product from you has already paid for this for the shipment, so you have the money back. You don't worry about it. Then click on the shipment labels and choose the day that you are going to send the shipment in. Here they show you everything in details, how to view the details, print customs form. You can even print the factor. You can track the shipment. You can track it live, so where it is. They have like a GPS with the product that you are going to ship, so you can track it everywhere it goes, and even the customer will be able to track it through the UPS official application. All you have to do is actually give them the code that will be sent to you or will be given to you into this shipment tracking. So it will be here down below this menu. So there is a menu here. It will be right behind it. You can copy it, send it to the customer, or keep it to yourself so you can track it, and you can give some kind of tracking information to the customer. Here there is some frequently asked question. Will my customers see your best rate at checkout? No, it will not. They will not know which kind of shipment you are using. They will only know that there is a shipment that they have to pay for. How do I edit my UPS account? Here's some question that you can go through if you didn't understand fully everything. So this is really important to go through before you get to buy the extension and add it to your website. And yeah, guys, that was completely it. I hope you learned something from this video. I tried to show you multiple articles, multiple tips on how to use it, some sub plugins that you can use instead of UPS shipping method, and yeah, some kind of tricks and tips and how to actually add it to your WordPress website. So that was it, guys. If you have any more questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.